Hello data friends, want to master the art of storytelling in Power BI? Then don't miss out my session Disney Plus Storytelling Techniques in Power BI. My name is Roman and I have a deep passion for making data easy to understand and visualize engaging. I come from a beautiful coastal city of Yevpatoria in Crimea, Ukraine, and my love for data has taken me for a nice journey around the world so far. I'm a Microsoft certified data engineer and a senior data analyst at Avanade, Germany, based in Frankfurt am Main. It will be an exciting journey where we'll together explore the data with the magic of storytelling, inspired by Disney+. I will show you how to turn your reports into stories, create engaging Power BI reports, and make your data come alive just like Disney+. We will explore how to understand and use those techniques in showing data, making your Power BI reports really informative and really engaging. See how Disney Plus use different techniques to attract people's attention and how you can use those ideas in your presentations. Turn simple data into stories that people really care about, and last but not least, make people motivate to take an action and not just randomly using the reports. By the end of my session, you will know how to make Power BI reports tell the story, not just showing the raw numbers. So don't miss this chance to improve your storytelling techniques, and hope to see you at the PASS Summit in Seattle. Ciao!